enjoy this today, fellas. Go out there, play fast, play confident. Let's celebrate something after this game, man. Let's go. RB's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
RB. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, to the end, to the last play of the game, man. Do what we do. All right, ball out on 2. 1, 2, ball out. We really got to turn up today. We got to. We got to get on that today. Got to. Watch me. If you ain't on it, watch me. I'm on that today. Boys, flip a switch, bring violence, bring intensity, bring desire. Go out there and put what you want to put on tape with effort and greatness. Take the rest of the day. Come on now. Oh, pass him back. What down? Go down. Break down. Break down. I know. They don't run on him. No, hell no. Nobody run on him. No, everything you got. Everything you got. Get it. Hey, we're the best in the world. Yeah. Let's do this tonight. Let's go. Best in the world on 3. 1, 2, 3. Best in the world. Oh, yeah.
I had it low with a man to see me working. It just wasn't. But you been sending me just to see if I like it or rocking with it. There go little mama, I don't want.
Start this drive, 1st and 10 for the Patriots. It's from Andre Stevenson. Lost the ball for a 4th consecutive game. Stevenson fumbles. 49ers have it. Oh my goodness. He fumbled 1 time all of last season. That's 4 in 4 games this year.
Sam Okawanu with penetration in his right arm just reaches out, rips at the football, and then Malik Collins is able to fall on it for the fumble recovery deep in Patriot territory. What a play by Sam O.
'49ers back out of it. Brissett given time over the middle. He gets picked off by Warner. Fred Warner climbs the ladder to get it, and now he sprints down the sideline inside the 10. He won't be denied. Touchdown, San Francisco. It's a 45-yard pick 6 for Warner, and it's the defense that finds the end zone first.
So we got time for another pick, man.
Ain't no limit.
You got another pick 6 in you, though.
Ain't no limit to this.
Come on, man.
Ain't no limit.
Pressure coming on 3rd and 10. Picked up enough to give him time to find George Kittle. Oh, amongst so many bodies, he ripped it away. Touchdown, San Francisco. George Kittle just wanted it more.
Nice job. That's why you're best in the world. Good job, George.
That's unbelievable.
Was it? Make it no down at the end of this. Who's more physical? Y'all got me?
Brissett in trouble and spikes it into the ground as Collins got to him again. 3rd and 6, there he is again, and he knocks it out. Ball is loose, and he's on it. There is no signal yet. They're going to say that it's a fumble and a recovery.
Ruling on the field is a fumble.
That is his first sack.
Recovered by the defense.
Swiper keeps swiping. Swiper keeps swiping. That was two back to back.
Oh, he gained?
That's a great jump. Glad he didn't trip the head ball.
He did it all game. I told you.
Kittle runs a shallow cross. Brock's going to load up and go deep for Jawan Jennings down the field. Made the catch inside the 30-yard line.
That's unbelievable.
on this side, baby. And we're going to keep stacking them up, man. Let's go, people. Let's do it.
Hey, I know we was gone for a little bit, but we back to city! Boy, that day feel good, boy. On to the next.